Alright, hey, this is a bike check. So I guess we're going to start off with the front first. We have the stock verde handlebars with a little black 9 zip tie that I did out of boredom. Odyssey and rust grips in black, and Odyssey black par ends. Those are actually really good because you don't hit them in, they actually have a screw. So that's really good, you know. Stock lever, cable, and actual, whole brake setup back there. Stock seat post, stock seat clamp, stock frame. Everything's stock except for, the grips and the pedals. The pedals are Odyssey Twisted PCLE pedals in trans green. They're like a really bright see-through green whenever they're out in the light. It looks really good. But, yeah. So, yeah, this is my bike check. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, and if you want me to do any type of video, just tell me, and I'll do my best to try. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and, yeah, thanks. See ya.